We can take this ride wherever it goes, as long as you're with me. I feel at home. Can you tell me why? 'Cause I wanna know. As long as you're with me, I feel at home. Yeah, I wave goodbye.
Yeah man, we're adventure again, you know. I'm here with my family, my sister, my two sisters, and our cousin and my wife, Yvette. We're here at Devon House.
Let me see a place you advertise and let me see a place here and click on YouTube to see where them the restaurant with the Aki potty and all kind of potty, remember? I think it's this one. Yeah, Devon House.
So we have curry goat, we have oxtail, we have smoked jerky pork chops, we have sweet and sour pork chops, the regular fried chicken, we have
Devon
fried
House.
chicken,
Just Devon House, you have it.
wings, we have chicken breast stuffed with callaloo. We have something that's called aki medley. You get with callaloo, okra, pumpkin, and rice and peas. We have fish fillets, we have whole fish. International cuisine, you can get pastas, different type of pastas.
Aki pizza.
Aki pizza. Aki. Yeah, I'll take it.
Yes, you can also do a table. We're not ready to go to Jamaica.
No. I saw it on YouTube.
Oh,
Yeah.
the bakery is down here. It's pretty good. It's underneath the yellow underneath. That's the bakery.
Yeah.
Okay, so you want to go look for pastry? You want to go look for pastry and ice cream? All right, well, let's go this way. Thank you. Oh,
Friday. So where's Friday still here? No, you can basically get anything. It's just the soup go by the week.
oh, everything is on there.
Yes, anything else you can get except stew peas, because stew peas is on Thursday.
Alright, so so have sweet and sour chicken. I heard you said sweet and sour chicken. I don't see it.
Pardon?
Where's the sweet and sour chicken?
No, it's sweet and sour pork chops. We only have Jamaican fried chicken.
Yeah, because I want cotton tarts.
It's right here. You can get
Cotton tarts. What's that again?
It's sweet. It looks like a patty, but it had that pink stuff inside.
They make it like a patty, but it's smaller.
Yes. Yeah, but smaller, yeah.
You can try the Aki and the callaloo pizza.
They have ackee and callaloo pizza.
Yeah, let me actually describe.
Yeah,
was it a pizza?
I saw it on YouTube, but I just asked her and she said yes.
Oh.
So yeah, right here, so?
Yes.
Yeah, alright.
It's just 7 o'clock now. So you have
we're gonna
time.
walk around.
Sure. No problem.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Close your bag. Your bag is open.
Okay, thank you. Second person to tell, they tell Joy that and they tell me that. Yeah. Oh, Lynette, I know you feel, baby. No more puppy.
I tell you, I'll get that from the crying.
Yeah.
Tanisha, Charlotte, Janice, the grandkids crying, everybody crying.
Of course. It's a nice puppy that when they don't feel good, I don't feel good. I come down here for 5 days and I miss them. Every minute I call to find out how them doing. One of them is going to be 2 in March and the other one is going to be 1 in April.
That's a CD. It smell like a food in this also.
I get your turnover.
One bag.
She don't have the platinum tarts.
It smells like pastry, man. It smells like food.
I'm sure there must be other places.
You have other places that sell plantain tart?
I'm not sure.
I don't know.
Excuse me, is there any other bakeries that carry inside of
Red pudding? Not red pudding.
Yeah, it's a turnover.
Or Devon House.
And that one, the cherries.
Cherry.
That looks good.
What is this big donut?
Black cake, is it? That must be a black cake. And that's a red pudding, looks good.
What is that?
Red pudding.
What are these?
Alright, well, let's go find the ice cream then.
What do you eat? Miss? What is that?
You have to wander around. There's different places. But that's the Devon House.
That's a bakery.
Videotape in there, like things.
That is it? Oh, yeah, yeah, closed. Really need to get 2 banana shorts today.
Let's soup over here, Joe. Go straight across the corridor. It says go straight across and turn right.
You want soup? No, I don't want soup.
I want the platinum. She wants soup or something. I want platinum tart or the ice cream. So let's get the soup. Okay, you want soup? Who wants soup? You don't want soup? What you want?
I was gonna get the check
The food down
over
here?
here, but they said they
Not ready yet?
no, I
No?
put order, but we gonna walk around with the food.
No. No.
But we're gonna walk around and see what's there.
Alright, maybe I can maybe look and see.
Yeah, man, but we definitely would want some pastry or something, but I have to taste something still.
Yeah, let us look.
You don't want the soup, Lynette?
You sure you don't want some red? You don't want any red pea soup? What about red pea soup? Come on,
You want some red pea soup with
pigtail
pigtail?
and beef.
Alright. You want a cup or a bowl? Or
Let me see what the size of it is. So by the cashier. Oh, okay, alright.
okay, what size do you want? You want this or Lynette?
She's making a video, so whatever you get her. What size? Lynette. Go buy her anything too big.
You crave this? This one, the red pea soup. So that one and this one. Are you ready for the guys want some? No.
Yeah, I can manage this and this dinner.
How much for this one?
2020.
No.
You guys want anything?
Lynette?
You guys don't want anything?
Buy soup for you?
Yeah.
You want soup here, man?
No.
On the ice cream places, I want. Okay, all right. Or you say you don't want. I don't know. Let ice cream
You like the sound there, you know? Right now, come on. Let's see if I come on.
Now tell her I want
Ba, 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 ba.
What is in the soup? Pigtail? Pigtail in there?
she wants some soup and some pigtail. Don't fill it up with no dumplings.
What? With who's those?
Yours can take the dumpling.
Oh yeah, I want a dumpling. I don't eat this all the time.
Oh gosh. So give her about this dumpling.
So this is for Lynette?
Lynette. Or you want bigger than that?
Lynette?
Oh my gosh, I can't believe she got a drink off.
The man says she don't have it all the time.
Some pigtail is in it, right?
And this one also.
Drink some more right now.
Oh, give it back to me?
Yes. She got the both of them. Do you want some if that?
No.
Oh, no, just those.
Oh, that's for Lynette here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, that me definitely
That,
want.
yeah, we'll go get some of that pudding.
Same place here over there.
Yeah, the
Yeah,
pastry,
she
yeah.
said what happened is they ran out of the
Today,
pudding.
but I didn't like it.
The pudding?
Lunch?
The pudding?
No, no,
Oh.
the lunch I didn't like
Oh.
it today. So I feel hungry.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, you have two in there?
Yeah,
Okay, take out because remember everyone's separate places. You have them drinking home.
you're gonna drink yours when you go home?
Yes, yes.
What time we going home?
I don't know, so put one in this.
Okay.
I'm not gonna have it now. Then if you're gonna have this. Then if you're gonna keep it now. Then I go back to the hotel and no, I let them warm it up and I go back to the hotel. I don't want to do that now. You put one. Yeah.
So, that's yours?
No.
Oh, this. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, so we have been into.
full already.
Oh, come on. Yeah, man, I've seen that, the pastries.
The bread pudding?
Um,
I want to make the pot and tart the first thing in the morning.
I don't know what's
coming up.
when they're coming over here. They don't open until maybe 10 o'clock in the morning.
Well, I'm coming at 2 in the morning.
They leaving early?
Sharon have
we-
some. I'm
we-
gonna give her American. I'll get some from Sharon.
What you want?
I'm Jamaican.
How much you want?
Yeah,
let
just
me
want a
ask
piece
her.
of food.
How much is that?
How much your bread pudding, honey?
Oh, bread that.
485.
485.
Yeah, what kind of pudding is this one? Is this good? Caramel and this one?
Potato.
Oh yeah, potato one.
You want the potato?
Yeah.
All right, let me have. And what is this? What does that look like?
What is this? Here, this one. Brownie.
Oh no.
So potato pudding.
A potato pudding and a rice pudding.
Yeah, for me, potato pudding.
Potato pudding. What is that one?
Ebet.
Probably I'll try the caramel pudding.
Okay, a potato and a cornmeal.
Wait. Oh wait, make it out over here. Separate containers here, or I don't know how you serve it. What else you need?
Let me have the rice pudding too. Yeah. So give me 2,000.
Way better. Oh.
Four something. You want one?
Amish people then. Drive on the line long. This time of year, they're here until May. Yeah, but the son had beat up the father, the mother, and the father, and killed them last year. They're here like for 40 years. Mental issue.
Sure, you want the pudding? You want?
Eh?
No. Oh, that's all.
I'm going to take it straight in the garden.
Yeah, man.
I said, it look too sweet. I mean, if you take it one.
Okay, yeah, come get it when I remember Amish place
Bless
up
you.
there that serve real nice bread pudding. So, don't make any sense. Everything here.
Which one is going to make the bread pudding?
The one.
Right, first one.
Yeah, it's good enough, but all the time, man.
Oh, lace with sugar.
Lace.
Great nut. My mom would love great nuts. Ice cream. She loves that.
And I said it, the grape nut ice cream is selling in Canada. It's not,
Lynette.
that's no grape nut.
Yeah? Great nut over there. I never buy it now.
Roman raisins and grape nut. Those
Rum
four my favorite ice cream with chocolate.
tastes nice. Our rum raisin tastes good.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, I got mine right now. I got mine right now.
Eat some of it.
Of course. It is sizzling.
Yeah, I didn't like the food. I sent the bag from today for everybody.
Oh, you don't want to leave it here?
Yeah.
Oh, you just come beside with it.
So, potato pudding, bread pudding, water.
Walk here.
Okay, to come out?
Walk here. So you don't want me in the video. Mine from your wife. You know, I think my friend saying come up with Devon, see this? You might look a chick. You can see it? You know, your wife see it.
Okay, ice cream.
You know, go and get the ice cream with that.
Yeah, Lynette wanted the ice cream. Their direction and mine is two different things, you know.
Oh.
You said go down the road and turn that way.
Yeah. Oh, probably this.
Find the ice cream.
Oh.
Go, when you say around the other
Oh,
side.
that's such a Jamaican accent.
Yes. I'll go here and make a
Okay,
right.
yes.
Yeah.
There's an alley right here on your right.
Okay.
Just take it.
Is it a dark alley?
It's not dark. You can see the light right there. It's very late.
Okay.
All right. Thank you so much, dear.
He's asking you what's the channel.
It's Raw Adventure. Yeah, RAW Adventure.
R-A-D?
RAW
Oh, Raw Adventure.
Adventure. Put 876 at the end.
Alright, let me just put that and then you should pick up numbers.
Yeah, that's me.
That's it?
Yeah, man. All right.
Okay.
Check it out. Thank you.
Come here, Baba. Sorry.
What about you? I'm not dying anymore. Yeah?
Here? I don't. Where?
When I say go through this alley,
Go through the alley.
right here.
Dirt box.
Yeah. Yeah, fry. This way? Right. Oh, people eating ice cream. You see them? People. It looks like a washroom. Yeah.
Where?
Because you have two baby mother at the same time, you know? Yeah. You want to put them pregnant at the same time. And first part, I was two friends.
Yeah?
Put the line.
Yeah.
I don't think I want to stand in that line. That's a long line.
Yeah, that's too
It's
much
so
of a
long. The
long.
line is for ice cream.
Yeah, man, it's too long. Ang kubang ko sila yun. Ang hana. Moving. Yeah, man, we're at Devon House ice cream. I'm like, I'm more than one line though.
This is the line, yeah?
Oh, okay.
No matter how far apart, I guess you could call it chance. But we know it's
So that's the Devon House I. Just the letter I. Scream.
it's like we've always known.
I think it's 5. Is it 5?
Got 4.
4?
Yeah.
3 8 ounce and a 5 ounce. Yeah, that's only 2. But I don't mind standing. Yeah, right here, yeah. And the bag of 2, no?
No, I tore it.
Oh, it's there.
Okay, this is Lynette's ice
Sit
cream.
down with me now. You not sit down with me.
She's the camera lady.
Oh,
All right, let's.
This is mine?
Yeah.
Thanks.
What's that there?
No, it's
My,
dessert.
what's the name? Carmi.
Phone. Where are we coming? Huh? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I keep on the tree on our property there too.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So they eat plenty Aki.
Oh, no, I keep on Portland,
No,
but
Aki not in Portland?
might be down there, but not on the property.
Oh. So what down there now to eat?
Apple. I don't see any breadfruit, but there's a lot of breadfruit trees. But, banana.
Oh, the picture that you found?
no, I was saying that when the days in the 70s, Afro wearing, sister used to have a bad, what's it, but Lynette? You never go over there by health shop, you go,
Go that side.
the camera, yeah, baby. Put up the camera right here, because I'm not trusting people. Come out of something. Don't see them in there, come out, they see us.
Yeah, yeah.
wherever